Hey everyone, welcome back to Azul Hair Collection's YouTube channel. My name is Nick, I'm the owner of Azul Hair Collection, and this is a place where we do a lot of different hair extension tutorials, as well as we talk about beauty products and anything beauty really. So if you like that kind of stuff, just make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button because we do giveaways as well. Alright, in today's video I want to talk to you about the newest DIY hair extension craze. I mean, it is blowing up. If you hadn't heard about it, you sure will, especially today, because I'm going to talk about these tape-in hair extensions. This is what they are, and people are loving them. I think they're going to be the next biggest thing. I know HD lace wigs were a thing, it's still a thing, but this one for sure, you want to get on it. Let me tell you all about it. Okay, what are tape-in hair extensions? Pretty simple stuff here. So this is what they look like, and it comes in a set or a pack like this. You have this hair that is basically stuck in some glue here. I'll make it very simple for you. And as you can see here, it has a kind of a covering. You take off this covering, you part out a really clean sliver of your hair, you take another tape-in hair extension, and you make a sandwich. That's pretty much it. So it's super simple to apply, and a lot of women are doing it themselves. Okay, so I've been doing my research about tape-in hair extension, you know, being a hair extension company owner. Why can't I get that out? Hair extension company owner, there it is, okay. Just to see what's really out there, what's happening. And honestly, I haven't seen a whole lot of hair extension vendors selling them, but I can tell it's something that's starting to emerge, and they'll be everywhere as soon as you know it. So let me tell you what I've seen so far. Now typically, this is like 40 grams of hair, and this is 20 pieces, so that means you can make 10 sandwiches. Now I've seen this is like the size and content and density that you will receive in a typical order. The pricing has been around $65 to upwards of $150 for just one of these. Now of course, with Azul Hair Collection, we want to make sure you get the value for your money, so we give you 2 of these. This is like almost 100 grams of hair extension right there. So you actually get 20 sandwiches when you purchase a set or a pack of our tape-in hair extensions. And our pricing is in between the $100, $150, depending on length and all that good jazz. But you get a lot more for your money when you shop with us, I'm just gonna say it like that. And you need this much. I don't know why they would sell you just one of these, because what are you gonna do with this? The next question I'm sure you have is, how many of these do I need? Now, keep in mind, we sell a lot in one set, but if you purchase with others, just make sure you read the description and see, you know, how many grams or how many sandwiches you can make, because that will make a difference. But to answer your question on how many of these you will need, it really depends on what look you're going for. If you head over to our website, azulhaircollection.com, I actually wrote a blog and has a whole graph for you to understand, okay, if you're looking for just length, if you're looking for length and fullness, if you're looking for just fullness, how many packs you will need. I would say in between 3 to 6 or even 8 packs you will need of the tape-in hair extensions, depending on what look you're going for. Tape-in hair extensions can last up to 3 months with proper care, as well as they are reusable. Basically, you go to Amazon or Google hair extension tape, and here, I'll show you. Just right here where the tape is normally, you just make sure you clean that off really nicely, take some of that hair extension tape, apply it right on top, and then create your sandwiches again. So they are reusable. It's best to purchase really good human hair. As you know, with the Azul Hair Collection, our hair is 100% human, virgin hair, Brazilian hair, which I love because I just find it just so more lifelike. I don't know how to explain it. So just keep that in mind as you start shopping.